Many of us deal with tired eyes and dull skin, thinking it's just part of getting older. We chase expensive creams and prescriptions, convinced the solution must be complicated. But sometimes the simplest things can help our bodies heal. Our ancestors relied on nature, plants, and simple ingredients to care for themselves. We've lost much of that wisdom, but the power to support our bodies is still within reach. True wellness starts with believing your body can heal and looking to the earth's gentle gifts. I began to rediscover these old remedies, learning that healing doesn't have to be costly or complex. The most profound solutions are often the most humble. It's about listening to your body and trusting in its design. When your eyes are clear and your skin is soft, you feel more alive and confident. These aren't small things. They're the foundation of daily life. The journey to wellness is about taking that first step with an open mind and heart. Sometimes the answers are right at our fingertips. Let's explore one of nature's simplest, most effective remedies. I discovered a powerful, simple blend castor oil and baking soda. Both are common household staples with remarkable benefits. Mixed into a soft paste, they can soothe tired eyes. Just rub gently on your eyelids before bed. The castor oil moisturizes, while baking soda gently cleanses. Many wake up with refreshed, comfortable eyes. This nightly ritual is easy, affordable, and empowering. True self-care is about simple, accessible tools. Sometimes the best remedies are already in your kitchen. The same castor oil and baking soda paste works wonders for your skin. Use it as a gentle mask. Apply, let sit for 15 minutes, then rinse. Baking soda exfoliates. Castor oil deeply moisturizes, leaving skin soft and glowing. For hair, massage a thinner mixture into your scalp and hair, leave on, then wash out. It soothes dry scalps and strengthens hair, giving it shine. These simple treatments rival expensive products. With just 2 ingredients, you can nourish your skin and hair naturally. Simple care, powerful results. This blend also comforts sore joints and muscles. Massage the paste onto achy areas, cover with a warm cloth, and relax. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties and the warmth ease tension and stiffness. Many find regular use increases mobility and comfort. It's a gentle, supportive way to care for your body at home. Instead of reaching for pills, try this natural approach first. Simple rituals can make a big difference in daily comfort. Nature's remedies empower you to care for yourself. Even your gums can benefit from this blend. Gently massage a tiny amount onto your gums, then rinse. Baking soda cleanses, castor oil soothes, leaving your mouth refreshed. It's a gentle addition to your oral care routine. These small acts of self-care add up to real well-being. Rediscover the power of simplicity and reclaim your health. With castor oil and baking soda, you're investing in yourself. True health shines from simple, loving care.